Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2022 Chrysler Voyager with an ATS rear entry conversion package on it. Stock number CP17447T. Now this Voyager has 46,900 and some miles on it, so almost 47,000 miles. Again, it's a 2022 3.6 liter Pentastar motor in it. It is granite crystal in color. We've got 17-inch painted aluminum wheels. Tires look to be almost brand new. Paint looks to be in good condition, except the extra dirt on here from the rain last night. Cloth seats. Driver's seat is power. Passenger is manual. Touchscreen radio. Got the Uconnect hands-free telephone system. Dual temperature control zones. Cruise control. Power windows, locks, mirrors. It's got two power side doors on it. Then we've got two cloth jump seats here in the rear of the van. Now this ATS conversion is brand new on this pre-owned van. So on the ATS conversion itself, you have 3 years unlimited miles warranty from ATS on this. Here's your Voyager badging. And your ATS badging. Is equipped with rear backup camera, rear wiper, power lift gate. There's the manual ramp. Simple to use. Being manual, don't have any electrical circuits to go bad on here or what have you. So manual ramp's kind of nice. And these ramps are spring assisted or hydraulic assisted, depending on what rear entry van you get. Really helps lifting and dropping that tailgate. And of course you've got the anchors for the Q straints. You got a box of Q straints. New rubber floor. Of course, this floor is lowered as well. You got enough room here for 2 chairs or a scooter and a chair, wheelchair, what have you. See, it's pretty easy to use these things. I'm doing that with one arm here. Simple to lock back up. And there you have it. Paint looks to be in good condition, minus all the dirt on it. There's a scrape right here in the passenger door. Now these seats do not come out unless you want to unbolt them, and you can do so. They do fold forward here. Nice van. Again, 2022 Chrysler Voyager. Brand new ATS conversion, rear entry conversion on it, mobility. About 47,000 miles on her. That's here in Piqua at Sherry Conversion Vans. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.